Creating a waitlist entry. At times we'll have guests call and unfortunately the room type that they would like to book is not available. How we find that is by going to our tape chart by pressing F8. Now let's say I have Mr. Goldman on the phone. He would like to book a 3-bedroom condo for 6 nights arriving on December 23rd. I already have my date here. I'm going to arrow down to type and then I can type in 3B. Press page down on your keyboard and it'll show you the 3-bedroom condos that are available for our entire inventory during that time. And we do not have anything that's available for 6 nights. However, since we haven't reached the cancellation cutoff yet, it is a good idea to put in a waitlist entry for Mr. Goldman because some people may cancel before November 1st, which is our cancellation cutoff date. So in order to do that, you want to escape tape chart, select W for work slate, and then you're going to pull up Mr. Goldman's guest tile. So you can find just go onto any reservation of Tom Goldman's. And then from here, you'll see the waitlist button right here. Or if you go to the guest tile, the waitlist button's right there as well. You can just create a guest tile and then go ahead and waitlist the reservation from there. There are no waitlist entries. Would you like to add one? Select Y for yes. And then you'll go ahead and create the waitlist entry. So I'm going to put in the 23rd for the arrival date, departure date, 6 days. Room type, a 3-bedroom. I'm just going to put a 3-bedroom valley. And since he just wanted any 3-bedroom, in notes, I can put any 3-bedroom will do. And then you select OK or press page on your keyboard, escape, and then it'll turn red, showing that there's a waitlist item. And that's how you add a waitlist entry.